I'm Jim from JB Solutions, here to talk about what's living in your air conditioning system. As a contractor here in New England, countless times we would run into a client's home with a damaged ceiling or a flooded basement, all caused by the same thing. A slimy, nasty growth that happens in your air conditioning pan that eventually overflows, leading to house damage. Our solution as a contractor was to develop our HVAC IV. Our system treats your system actively, simulating having a contractor in your house every day for 3 months, putting a treatment into your pan that's going to keep it clean and healthy. Now that we understand the applications that the IV can be used, we want to show this process actually taking place. After a call for cooling, the HVAC IV will activate, dumping the biocide down through the injection tube into the injection nozzle, which goes into the drain pan of your air conditioning system. It flows through the drain pan, out the trap, the condensate pump, and piping, keeping it free and clear of blockages. The majority of households in the United States could benefit from the use of an IV system in their home.